Hello and welcome to Sweets from the Soul. Thank you for purchasing the price list template from our Etsy shop. In this tutorial, you will learn how to customize the text, colors, fonts, elements, and more to fit your brand and make it your own. So let's get started. Select Edit Template, and this will take you to the free version of Canva. If you do not have an account already set up with Canva, they may prompt you to set up an account before beginning. After your template has fully loaded, the first thing you want to do is to make a copy. You will want to keep the original to use if you need it at a further date. So let's select File, make a copy, and once it is loaded, you can change the name of the file to suit your needs. Now this copy is already ready to begin editing. Let's begin with the first price list. This is a simple price list where you can list the products or services that you offer in your business. Each one of these is a placeholder that you can select and type in the name of the product that you offer. Say, for example, you're in a salon and you offer a half-hour massage. And that half-hour massage is $60. It's as simple as that. If you are not needing all these spots, you can adjust the size of your font to whatever size you need it to be. And you can also delete the areas that you don't need. This particular template also gives a place to put your logo. If you have a logo design, you simply upload the logo by choosing the upload in your Canva app. I already have one loaded, so I'm just going to simply check for that. And let's use this one. When you select it, it will appear on your page rather large, but you can simply grab the toggles and pull it down to fit right there over the placeholder. You may also come down and insert your company name, your phone number, your website, your address, and then you may also include your website, Facebook, and Instagram web addresses, links to your web addresses. For example, here I have a website. I'm going to right click, and there you will have an opportunity to type in your address to your Facebook page. Let's look at the next template. This template is in a different format, but you would edit it exactly the same way, just simply putting in the product or services that you offer. On this page, we have a price list that includes photos. To attach a photo or add a photo here, you simply go to your uploads where you have uploaded the photo and drag it over to the spot. Now this one comes in much larger, but then again, you can also use these handles to move it over and manipulate it to where you would like for it to be. It doesn't have to be in the spot there. Those squares are merely placeholders. But you can drag and drop it anywhere you want. Once you've done that, go ahead and delete the attached photo here, and you have it. On our last page, we have a scan to pay option. You will need to insert your QR code here. Canva comes with several different apps that gives you the opportunity to do that. Click on Apps, search for QR code generator, and you can choose any of these that you would like. Let's just use this first one here. This one gives you a choice of what type of QR code design you want to use. I'm just going to choose the middle one there. And again, it's going to come in very large, and you're just going to take the handles and drag it down to where you would like for it to fit. Now let's go ahead and put in the URL for our Cash App. I'm just going to use Cash App and go to the general one, but you will also need to put your business name there after the Cash App. Hit save, and there you have a QR code generated specifically for your company. You may also go down and put in hyperlinks at the bottom for any of these that you accept. Let's say, for example, you also have PayPal. Right click, select link, and type in the link to the name of your business PayPal account. And there you have all of your templates ready to go. The next thing to do is to print by downloading the template. Simply hit download. You will want to print in a PDF. Change the presets to print and select download. This will download it to your computer under your downloads. So whether you download the PDF to print at home or with a printing service in your neighborhood or to share via email or text, these templates will be a professional way to share your products and prices with your customers. Thank you, and I hope you'll come back to see us soon at Sweets from the Soul.